Cecred's restoring hair and edge drops have quickly become a buzzword in the hair care world, but are they the real deal? Or just another overhyped product backed by good branding and celebrity influence? The product claims to deliver up to 1.5x thicker-looking hair using ingredients like biopeptide 5, keratin ferment, biotin, ginger, and rose extract, sounding like a scientific breakthrough in a bottle. It also promises a clean, conscious formula that's free from silicones, sulfates, parabens, and artificial fragrance, appealing to those looking for a more natural approach to hair care. The brand itself has a polished website, beautiful packaging, and even boasts some awards and industry nods, which at first glance might lead you to believe it's a solid, trustworthy choice. But once you look past the aesthetics and marketing, the story becomes a little more nuanced. The scientific claims aren't backed by independent, peer-reviewed studies. Most of the evidence comes from brand-led research, which raises questions about the transparency and reliability of the results. While some users did notice improvements such as a healthier scalp, smoother edges, and slightly thicker appearance, others said they saw little to no change even after using it consistently for weeks. In some cases, users felt the drops worked more as a temporary smoothing serum than a long-term thickening treatment. The dropper packaging was also a point of mixed feedback. It looks great, but some found it difficult to control the amount or apply evenly to their scalp. When you're spending premium money, you want premium results, and Cecred's drops, while not a scam, definitely walk a fine line between luxury beauty and questionable effectiveness. If you're someone already taking care of your hair and looking for a light boost with a high-end formula, this might add value. But if you're battling significant hair thinning or expecting dramatic regrowth, this likely won't meet your expectations. So is it legit? Technically yes, but it's also not the miracle it's marketed to be. Manage your expectations, read the ingredient list carefully, and consider whether the sleek packaging and celebrity backing are worth the price tag.